has been one of those days today, guys. Hi. I hope you guys are doing well. It has been one of those days today, guys. I've been super busy today. I got up, of course, early to get Mia ready for school, and then I had a lot of back work to do. Recuperating from being ill. I had a lot. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot of back work to do. So I filmed for a fashion brand this morning. I also had to go and film for a food brand today as well. So it's been a very, very busy day. But it's about 5:30 p.m. and I just got to Fraser Sweets. Let me show you guys. All right, so this is Fraser, and I'm here because my cousin is around. He's been around for a couple of days and I haven't seen him yet. So he's leaving town tomorrow, and I'm like, you know what, let me come and see you in this cute ass hotel that you are in. This is one of my favorite hotels in this city. Like, I've lodged here once and it's so beautiful, but I came here recently. I think I had lunch with the girls recently here, and I'm just really amazed to see that it's still very well maintained and still looks really good. It's just a beautiful hotel that I have so much love for. So I'm gonna be spending some time with my cousin this evening here, and yeah, that's it. That's why I'm here. Enjoyment. So only you in this switch room, only you in this place. Oh my god. Wow, if it's bringing back memories when I lodged here. I was pregnant when I lodged here. Yes, Jesse and I, that Christmas of 2018. Yeah, I was heavy. I was like 6, 7, no, what am I saying? Because I was due in March, so I was like 6, 7, yeah, I was about 7 months gone. So yeah, Popsy booked it for us for Christmas then, because I couldn't travel to Asaba. So wow, only you chillaxing inside this place, eh? Since Sunday. Today is Thursday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Hi. Enjoyment. And Fraser food is bomb. Like, their food is amaze balls. I love their food. You guys see, I'm looking for a wife for this my cousin. I'm sorry, people will now say, I always give a wife for everybody. Every guy that is on this your vlog, I'll give a wife for him. And they find wife for this my fine cousin, you guys. So apply in the comment section down below. He will see he's a very fine boy. You see now, I don't deal in boys that are not fine. You understand? Only fine boys here. This is fine boy zone. Slide to the left, yeah. Slide to the right, yeah. Crisscross, turn around. Crisscross, turn around. Now go down low, yeah. Now go down low, yeah. Down low. I need to get a wife for you. Oh yes. Oh yes. Now don't score. But are you an Arsenal fan? I'm Arsenal. Thought you were Man U. Yeah. Guys, I'm going home because if I don't leave this place, I swear down, if I don't go home now, I'm going to sleep here. I'm telling you, because this bird is very, very succulent. I went and ate dinner on behalf of my cousin. I went and ate dinner downstairs. So if I don't leave this place now, I'm going to lie down here and sleep and forget that I left husband and pikin in the house. So let me start going home, I beg. Chukuma, say hi to my peeps.
Hey people.
Hey people.
It's nice having her around, you know.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. I'm leaving town tomorrow.
Yep.
Hope we see you soon.
Real soon.
Real soon. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. I literally just woke up about 10 minutes ago or so. It's Saturday morning and Mia is awake, obviously. Trying to make her breakfast, trying to make her pancakes. Mia only eats pancakes like once a week, to be honest. I don't give her pancakes until like the weekend, so maybe Friday to take to school or Saturday morning at home here. So yeah, I haven't given her pancakes this week and today is Saturday, so I want to make pancakes for her right now. It's going to be a very busy day, so I want to start my day early. I'm going to get my hair braided today and all of that, so I know it's going to be a busy day. Yeah, I just want to get right into making the pancakes for her. Good morning. Good morning, my darling child. Oh, why are you touching my legs? Stop. You fall. Stop. How are you? Did you sleep well? Did you have a good night?
Yes.
You did? Do you feel refreshed? Yeah?
Hi, Daddy.
Yeah. Say hi to them.
Hi, Daddy.
What did you say?
Where's my pancake?
Where's your pancake? I haven't even made it, girlfriend.
Hurry up.
Did you guys hear? I should hurry up. I'm wasting her time. I should make the pancake for her quick. Say please.
Please.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Number 20.
Number 2.
No.
I can see
You guys, Mia's father is teaching her how to play cards. In fact, they actually do play cards together.
12.
Yes.
Good.
Today, you triangle number 14.
Triangle number 14. She was like, triangle number
Are we
14.
going to play?
How did she win, please? Mama, so you know how to play cards with daddy? Really? Really?
Yours. I'm gonna give myself 5.
She will now be opening the
Daddy, I
cards.
want my J's back.
I want my J's back. Which one is it? Jokers?
Yeah. All your cards, me.
Here you go. See all your cards. Daddy gave you all the J's.
Because you always like
2, 3, 4, 5.
So it's your turn to play now. Go ahead.
So play, Mama. All the J's. Like really? When you can use J to end a game.
Don't worry.
He says, don't worry.
I'm going to do
How can you play all? How
So
can she play all her J's?
What should I give you?
Tango!
Triangle. That's very good. I'll give you triangle number 14.
I'm going to do star number 4.
Star number 4. No, but you have a triangle.
You have a
Give me-
triangle.
I'm going to do a triangle number 8.
Okay. So I'm going to give you triangle number 6 and square number 6.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Yes. So you play.
I'm going to do a square number 1.
Play another one.
1.
Play your other square.
I'm going to do square number 13.
Okay, I'm going to the market. I don't have it. Oh yeah, play. What next?
What next? Do you have a square or do you have a 13?
No.
You have to go to the market,
I'm going
Mama.
to give you another one. Take this
You have to
one.
hold that one.
I'm going to go to the market.
Uh-huh.
Market.
Oh my goodness.
You take me, Daddy.
No, another one.
Oh, I'm going to dip it plus my 9.
Plus number 10. I give you. What next? Don't worry.
I'm going to give you one number 8.
I'm going to give you ball number 7.
You only have 4. I'm going to give you star number 4.
This is a game without rules.
No rules in this game, man.
What do we play?
Hide and seek.
Yes, good idea.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. Hi guys. So same day, it is past 12 noon. I just got to the salon. I'm trying out a new place today. They reached out to me via email. They wanted me to experience their new place, so that's where I'll be bringing my hair today. I had a very busy Saturday morning, guys. Like, you guys know how it is with Saturdays. I had a very busy Saturday morning. I did some deep cleaning, kitchen, bathroom, and all of that. So yeah, anyway, I just got here and I want to do like box braids. So I don't intend to spend the whole day here because I'm doing like box braids. And you guys know that when I'm doing braids, I don't use anything that is not what? Lush hair. So I'm doing a very exciting color today. Yeah. Pink. But this is like a very deep fuchsia pink. This one is called Lush Pink. And I'm mixing it with the color 12 I did last when I braided, just to tone it down a little bit, tone it down like 10 notches. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So let's go in, let's start this hair, and let's see how cute it's gonna be. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're
You're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard.
Hi guys, so today is Sunday and we are hosting Nena today. Waka Waka Nena. She recently hit 50k on Instagram. In fact, she's about to hit 60k at this point, and we are having a surprise thing for her. She just drove in. I will not even complete. It's just myself and Tango that are here. Everybody else that was invited is not even here yet, and Nena is always early for things. We told her come by 3, everybody else come by 2:30. It is 10 minutes before 3 and Nena is already here. Nena. But anyway guys, it's going to be fun.
Nena's heart is beating.
Yeah, we told her that we said that there was an emergency meeting, that something happened, so we need to meet emergency. She's coming. She's coming. We told her that it's an emergency meeting, that something happened. Hey, Nena can come early, sha. No, let's go. Surprise! Happy 50k! Happy 50k! You are so early. Why are you so early for your own surprise something? Anytime you are looking back, see hair, see makeup, see dress, everything. Happy 50k! I know you were thinking that we're doing emergency meeting. You say? Come early for everything. Say 3, you are here before 3. Why are you here before 3?
Oh, you made it? Yes, now.
Oh. Yes. Yes. It's easy to hit 50,000 followers.
Nena is on 60.
She has hit 60. Hey, so how do you feel? How do you feel?
Like I'm still shocked.
As in, she's shook. She's shook yet. She's like, what?
Like I'm really shocked.
I know.
We plan this thing.
Yes, baby. We're planning it for you. That's what we do. That's what girls do for girls. See your 50k cake.
Wow.
And from here, we're going somewhere else too. Tell her.
How you see me? Hey,
Yeah.
drinks for you.
Yes. What we now do on her birthday? Aye, now wow. we'll give her a surprise trip. Surprise trip. You should travel now. Surprise trip. 50k. Please dress up. Let's dress up because.
No, if you think because I just I say this or just say anything. What the hell is going on? I didn't want to make up. I said let me ask in case you create content after everything. Maybe somebody wants to
create, you know, any which way. We'll see create.
Woo! I'm excited.
This background is so beautiful.
Thank God I made up. Would have cried.
Oh, baby, good at thinking out loud.
Cheers.
You're not too good at keeping promises, no. Oh, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head. The devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell
are through from our first location for the day. This is not a small celebration. You guys know that with Soft Life crew, we don't do things small, you know now. So we just finished from Iris Hotel at Maitama, and we just got to one of my absolute favorite places in Abuja right now, Barlands. I've shown you guys this place before when I came here for the soft opening. So we are here just to have drinks and more food, because I mean, you guys, by the way, my hair is giving, isn't it? My hair is giving, isn't it?
I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight. But I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you. I wanna show you how to treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you. I wanna show you how to treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right.
Okay, so oh well, I love to have fun. Like, if you know me, you know this already. I just don't have enough fun. I feel like actual partying, I don't do that as much like I used to when I was single. So any small thing that look like party, I would just show myself. Do you understand? But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Make sure you subscribe if you are not yet subscribed already. I'm aware we have some new subbies. In the last week we got some new subbies. So if you're new here and if you're a new member of this lovely internet family, you are highly welcome. I hope you enjoy being here. I hope you enjoy my vibe. I hope you enjoy me personally as a person, as a human being. I hope you enjoy everything that this channel has to offer. Trust me, you will not regret it. Thank you so much for subscribing, and please keep subscribing, okay? Anyway, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.